Fosrich senior manager gunned down in St. Andrew. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A senior manager of lighting company Fosrich is dead after a gun attack during broad daylight in Mullines Road area of St. Andrew on Thursday. Links 007 TV News understands that the man was traveling in a black sports utility vehicle in the area sometime after 4 p.m. when upon reaching in the vicinity of Tarrant Drive, he was shot by gunmen multiple times. The man subsequently attempted to drive towards halfway through but crashed into a grey Honda Fit motor car and succumbed to his injuries. It is understood that the gunman escaped, leaving behind one of the motorcycles used to carry out the vicious act. This has now been seized by the police. During the publication of this report, Links 007 TV News has been reliably informed of the identity of the man that was killed. He is a production manager at Fosrich in Cephas. The police have not yet established a motive for the killing as the investigation continues.
I'm dead, man. I'm get shot, you know. I walk me, what man, I walk me, I'm dead, man. What you walk me, man, them? I walk me, I walk me. I'm dead, you know. Yeah, when I can't put him that up. Fumbo, you hear the shot? You hear the shot? Yeah, man, I'm dead, yeah. When I can't put him that up. Name Nick. No, stay. In a like him and try. My breed. Someone not try there. We? Last one. Who ain't get the name? A foot break. How about phone is that? Yes. I'm not him up the idea. No, like I son. I'm son. Him can only wait. Man saying father. General, don't sleep. Don't make him sleep. Come on, wake up!
This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.